Alright friends, so I have been through a few top boxes now and I just got, I think, my third one. I didn't do a review on the last one because I actually forgot. I got the box, I put the products away, and then I totally spaced out on it. If you have not heard of Topbox, it is a Canadian subscription box. It is about $12 a month and comes in this fun little tube. If you follow Rach Loves, she has done collaborations with them before, and that is actually how I found out about Topbox. So I will say that last month was definitely better than the first month. If you are interested in seeing my first experience with this subscription box, you can check that out here. If you want to just see the unboxing, then just keep watching. One thing I do really love about Topbox is actually this little tubey do-whack. I like this because it is hard. So when I get these in the mail, they are covered in tissue paper. I know exactly that there's never going to be anything wrong and that these are solid in the mail. I really love that. So the first product here is this Chlorine shampoo, dry shampoo, sorry. I was trying to read the wrong language. But it's dry shampoo with oat milk. I have tried this before. I know that I like it. And I feel like I had said in my Glossy Box video as well that I'm so glad I'm getting minis again of like real things that I actually use, like dry shampoo and hairspray, because they need to go in my gym bag because I need to stay with my ass at the gym. So this was pretty awesome to get because I'm carrying around my full-size Batiste right now and it's too big. Hey Batiste, you want to send me some minis so I can take it to the gym? Thanks! My next product is the Whipped Cleansing Cream from Skin & Co. One thing I wish Topbox would do is actually add in, what is this now? What have I gotten on myself? I wish that Topbox would add in the values of the products or what the regular price of the full size is, but they don't. So this is a whipped polished cleansing cream with truffle extract. And I don't know if they're talking like truffle like mushrooms. It actually smells pretty good. It smells like vacation. I say that a lot. Products need to continue to smell like vacation. Maybe one day I'll take one. This does seem very luxurious. If I can find prices for these things, which I'm sure I can, I will put the full size cost somewhere here in and around me. They did also send a lipstick from Medusa's Makeup. I've never heard of this brand before, so kind of interesting. It is a nice sheer kind of nude, and the packaging actually really reminds me of the NARS Audacious lipsticks. This is a nice creamy pink nude and it feels very good on application. It doesn't pull, it doesn't drag, it's not dry at all. Nice to get those full sizes. We like that. Thanks, Topbox. And the last product in here included in the subscription is a Pretty Woman nail polish in like a light pearl pink. Let's see what this is going to look like. I always find subscription box nail polishes to be kind of plain colors and colors that like my grandmother would wear. Hey Gma, I love you, don't get me wrong. I know you wear like blues and stuff sometimes, but for the most part you be wearing these colors. So this is probably going to go to my grandma because it's not color I would reach for. However, I really like the packaging and I'm going to look up a little bit more about this brand. As I've said 100 times before, the best thing about subscription boxes is finding new brands to try and being able to look up new information about new brands. I specifically like Topbox because it is Canadian and a lot of the products are actually sold here. Whereas with Glossy Box, say, it is not that easy. Not everything is always sold in Canada or available to come here other than inside these subscription boxes. Let me know if you know of any other great Canadian subscription boxes because I would love to try them out. They are my absolute favorite things, especially when they like bring magic in my mailbox. That's the best. Let me know if you have tried out Topbox and how you feel about it. Thanks so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe.